Google Gemini is a suite of AI tools and models developed by Google, designed to compete with other large language models like OpenAI's GPT. If you're interested in using Google Gemini, here's a basic guide on how to get started. Accessing Google Gemini. Google Cloud Platform. Google Gemini may be integrated into Google Cloud Services. If you're a developer or business, you can use the Gemini API by creating an account on Google Cloud, setting up a project, and accessing the appropriate API. Google Apps. For consumer use, Google may integrate Gemini features into Google products like Google Assistant, Gemini, a Google Search, where you may interact with AI directly. Using Google Gemini in Google Cloud. Create an account on Google Cloud. Sign up for a Google Cloud account at https://cloud.google.com/. You might need to input payment details. Depending on the usage. Access Gemini API. If Gemini is not available for public use, it will be available as part of Google Cloud's AI/ML products. You may need to navigate to the AI and machine learning section and look for Gemini. API keys. To use the Gemini API, you'll need to generate an API key within the Google Cloud Console. This key is used to authenticate and make requests to the API. Using the API, you can use Google Gemini's capabilities by sending data via HTTP request to the Gemini endpoint. You'll need to follow Google's API documentation for the specific endpoints, methods, and how to integrate Gemini into your app. Integrating Google Gemini in your apps, SDKs and libraries, if available. Google may provide SDKs or libraries to help you integrate Gemini into your software stack. For instance, Python SDKs might be available to integrate directly into your backend services or other applications. Interactive features. If you're using Gemini for interactive services, for example, chatbots or digital assistants, integration might involve setting up conversation flows using natural language understanding and NLU capabilities, and utilizing pre-built templates for building AI-powered solutions. Using Gemini in consumer applications. If you just want to use Gemini's capabilities in products like Gemini, Google Search, or Google Assistant, the process is typically automatic. Gemini may help with features like email drafting, summarizing, or organizing. Google Assistant. It can enhance your voice-based commands with more sophisticated context-aware responses. Google Search. Look for enhanced search results that might leverage Gemini's advanced AI features, providing richer and more conversational results. Stay updated. Since Google Gemini is a rapidly developing tool, stay up to date with new features, updates, and releases through Google's blog or Google Cloud documentation. If you're a developer or business, exploring the API and integrating it into your apps is the most direct way to use Google Gemini. For personal use, look for integrations within Google's suite of products.